In today's video, I will show you how to delete Tinder account permanently. Whether you have found a meaningful relationship or are simply ready to step away from digital matching, removing your profile is a straightforward process, but it does carry some major data consequences. Tinder actually processes millions of matches every single day, and when you choose to close your profile, it kicks off a security protocol. To get started, open Tinder by launching the app on your device or going to tinder.com and logging in. Once you are on the homepage, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top or bottom corner of your screen. From there, access your settings by tapping the settings gear or cog icon. Next, you will need to select Delete Account, so scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the settings page and tap Delete Account. Now it is time to confirm and finalize your decision. You will be given a choice to either pause my account or delete my account, so go ahead and tap Delete my account. You may be asked to select a reason for leaving, or you can choose to skip it, and finally, tap Delete my account one last time to confirm. An important fact to remember is that while this action permanently hides you from the discovery stack and cuts off access to your matches and chats, Tinder actually retains your profile data in a secure safety window for 90 days before permanently purging it from their servers to help monitor for platform security. And that's it! That's how to delete Tinder account permanently.